Hi Seçkin Hocam and hi everyone. It's Mrs. Kostak. Today I will briefly talk about oxidative phosphorylation. Then I like to explain how DNP affects the cell and the body. Oxidative phosphorylation is a series of events that take place in the mitochondria of the cell. We all know mitochondria as the power plant of the cell. Thanks to the electron passing through the electron transport chain, there is a proton transition between the inner membranes of the mitochondria. The difference in concentration created by protons enables ATP to be produced. A force occurs when the protons inside, that is, the hydrogen atoms, move to the outside. This difference is due to the difference in concentration or due to the difference in static charge. As electrons flow through all these complexes, protons in the matrix pass here. They pass through holes in these proteins. As electrons flow through all these complexes, the protons in the matrix pass here. They pass into the space between the inner membrane and the outer membrane. A force occurs when the protons inside, that is, the hydrogen atoms, move to the outside. This difference is due to the difference in concentration or due to the difference in static charge. This enzyme that looks like creature, which we call ATP synthase, exactly works as an engine. Protons spin this biological motor. Thus, ATP occurs. And what is a DNP? The protons that I just showed you played an important role in oxidative phosphorylation. Uncoupling of oxidative phosphorylation means separating oxidation from phosphorylation. That is, electrons still flow in the electron transport system. Simultaneously, oxygen is still consumed to release metabolic water. However, no ATP is synthesized.
DNP molecule is hydrophobic. It can easily bind protons. DNP can pass through the inner membrane of mitochondria with a proton, so creating a proton gradient becomes impossible.
If there are no protons left to be used in the intermembrane space, ATP synthase cannot produce ATP using it as a biological engine. Fat is burned quickly, but unfortunately, unhealthy weight loss. The DNP substance releases high heat in the cells. According to rumors, with the order of the Russian army, Russian soldiers use DNP to avoid being affected by cold weather. Peter Dennis Mitchell was a British biochemist. He found the mechanism of ATP synthesis and, as a result, won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1978. Finally, I leave a quote from this precious scientist here. Thank you for listening to me. And bundan sonrasını Türkçe devam etmek istiyorum. Seçkin Hocam, bu dönemki derslerimiz çok eğitici ve bence eğlenceliydi. Umarım bundan sonraki derslerimizde, yani eğer bundan sonraki dönemde ve bundan sonraki senelerde derslerimiz denk gelirse bu tip etkinliklere devam edebiliriz. Gerçekten kendimi bilim insanı gibi hissettiğim nadir derslerden ya da nadir anlardan bildiğim bu uzaktan eğitim sürecinde özellikle. O yüzden size çok teşekkür ederim. Kendinize iyi bakın.